So, today we are going to brainstorm some possible topics for you to write an informative paper about. So, remember, an informative paper is just something where any type of paper where you are explaining or informing someone about that information. And what I really want you guys to focus on for this paper are things that you are already very knowledgeable about. This is not a research paper where you're going to look up a bunch of information. I want you to pick something that you are already knowledgeable about that you can inform us about. Okay, so here are some just general ideas, and instead of like picking one of these exactly, these might just be kind of brainstorming ideas. Um, and they're kind of broken up by like the types of informative papers. So, which rules are absolutely necessary in school and why are they necessary? What's an interesting career you can imagine having? Why is it interesting? What makes a good teacher? Why are those qualities important? What are the steps that a person must follow in order to find a rescue dog from a shelter? If a relative wants to play your favorite video game and has never played it, how could you explain how to play? A friend has invited you to go camping. What must you do in order to get ready for the trip? Compare and contrast, where we're looking at two different things. So, what makes a better pet, a cat or a dog? How are tornadoes and hurricanes similar and different? How are the activities in middle school, how are the activities middle school students participate in during the summer different from the activities they participate in during the winter? Problem and solution type of prompts, like what kind of cheating is a problem in school and what can be done about it? What is internet bullying and what can be done to stop it? A new student has moved into town and is attending your school. What advice would you give him or her about making friends and getting to know the school? Cause and effect would be like, what are the causes of childhood obesity? What effect can a damaging storm have on a community? What effect can learning to read have on a young person? So again, instead of just picking one of these specific topics, they should kind of like start to get your brain turning. So instead of like what's better, a cat or a dog, maybe you want to compare and contrast the book and movie version of your favorite book. Or maybe you want to um, discuss a problem that you faced in quarantine, like with your mask being uncomfortable, and then the solutions that you took to solve it. So there's lots of different, ways that you could go with this paper, and I look forward to hearing what ideas you come up with.